Okay, so today I'm going to introduce you on how to create your own courses on Memrise. I've had a previous post about Memrise that was about how to use it for learning, and today I'm going to extend that functionality with teaching you how to create your own courses. So first things first, you open up Memrise. I've already opened it up, and if you haven't created your own course, you scroll down and you click on Create a Course, which is right here. Now, type in a course name. So course name, for example, would be Chinese vocabulary from daily life. You choose a category. Mind you, there are many categories, so that might take a while. In my case, I'll just choose Chinese and Mandarin traditional, and then you can specify if this is for English speakers or speakers of any other language, but probably English speakers makes most sense since most of the users will be English speakers. And then you click on Create a Course. Now what Memrise does here is they have a really nice page where you can just add different levels, and you can rename those levels simply by double clicking here, but also you can add content to those different levels. But let's first go to the details page. Now the details, again, you can click the name, you can click description, you can categorize it, you might upload a photo, you can add contributors, and you can change the status. So that's pretty straightforward. Now about levels, going back to levels, what you would want to do is probably you would want to add a database, and you can call that database Chinese vocabulary from daily life, and then you can click and then you can choose a wiki. So what I do here is they have different wikis, for example Mandarin dictionary for English speakers and Mandarin traditional. So I will choose Mandarin traditional, and which then is automatically created, right? So now my new level is Mandarin traditional level, and Chinese vocabulary from daily life is actually exactly the same, since that was the same anyways. So what you want to do now is you can rename your level, for example, very creative, level 1. And here, when you click on that little pen, or whatever that icon is, what happens is you can change the way this course is being tested. So what worked for me very well for studying Chinese was I test on definition and I prompt with the word. Then I click on Save, and now I can type in several words. For example, very simple example, 你好, and as soon as that pops up, actually, if there is a drop-down menu, probably it will fill in the definition. Now, unfortunately, we don't have audio, but fair enough. So this is for a level which contains words and definition, but you can also add levels which contain word, definition, audio, and also pinyin or any other additional information that you want to display. Now let me just show you one more quick thing. Say I have a list of items, and I do actually have a list of items. So say those are the vocabularies that I've been studying during the day. I've been noting them down on WordPad or any other, and then I want to paste that. And what I just do is I clicked on bulk entry, and here word delimiter is tab, line delimiter is new line, and then I can add. I hope that works. Yes, that works, and they automatically remove the final column for whatever reason. But that works fine, So what now happens is that basically I'm done with editing this course for today, and then I go to Chinese vocabulary from daily life. Just click on that course, and what I can do then is I can click here on level 1, and I can start planting. And mind you, actually here is again that little arrow which you can use at any time if you still want to add some more vocabulary. Say for example you don't want to create a new level for every single day, you prefer to create a level as the week grows and you add vocabulary on every single day. And what then will happen is exactly the same thing. They will just appear at the end of this course. Okay, and then I can just click on start planting, and I'll be shown with I can see different mems. I can choose what I want to do, and that works just like the normal Memrise would. Okay.